The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Well, good morning, everyone. Time now 6:48 as we have a look at our Roanoke-Blacksburg Regional Airport sky cam showing a beautiful sunrise, partly to mostly cloudy skies for most of us across southwest and central Virginia. Temperatures across parts of the NRV really warm this morning because of the increase in cloud cover. Notice our temperature gradient here a little bit cooler in parts of south side, so we can really tell where the cloud cover is this morning and where it was last night. So really cloudy across where we're seeing some of the greens here, a little bit cooler out in parts of our eastern zones. Tracking and picking up a little bit of rain early on this morning, starting to build into parts of Bland, Giles, Wythe counties, also into parts of Grayson counties. Now this little line of showers is going to continue to track throughout the east throughout the next couple of hours or so. So there's about a 20 to 30% chance of rain throughout the rest of the morning hours and quite frankly throughout the rest of your Monday. Cloudy skies starting us off and will continue to remain in place basically all day long. The eclipse takes place at 3:15. That's when we see maximum coverage right here in southwest Virginia. Still cloudy by 6 p.m. Temperatures getting into the 60s. Some of us even seeing 70 degrees this afternoon. Alta Vista 75, South Boston 76, Bedford 72, Lexington in the Hill City 71 degrees, down in Hillsville 67, mouth of Wilson and Grayson County probably about 66 degrees, 69 Pulaski and 68 for Floyd and Blacksburg. Here's a look at Future Tracker, picking up on some of those showers from the west by 8 a.m. in about an hour's worth of time. These showers continue to track further and further to the east, but they have a hard time staying together, so they'll dissipate, but we will see isolated showers from time to time tagging parts of southwest Virginia. Notice partly to mostly cloudy throughout much of our Monday and then through tonight. Still seeing some of those isolated showers. Then on Tuesday, we do it all over again. That is going to be the theme of the week as Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday feature isolated showers building through primarily from the west. Let's shift gears a little bit now, talk about the eclipse timeline starting at 1:58 this afternoon by 3:15. That's when we see the maximum eclipse, so the maximum coverage of the moon over top of the sun. So have your glasses handy for that. By 4:29, the moon starts to move away from the sun as the sun starts to set out towards the west. Solar eclipse today, again, mostly cloud coverage. 70% between the hours of 2 and about 6 p.m. So we're going to have to see if we can see some cracks in the skies and in the clouds to perhaps see this event. Good news about it is that it is a 2.5-hour event. So we have a look at the upper level air pattern. Showers remain in place through Wednesday. Then on Thursday, low pressure gets really close, and that's when we could see some big time rain and possibly even some storms develop. The flooding potential creeps further and further east as this system gets closer and closer. So by Thursday, we are looking at a slight chance for some flooding potential. So we have a last look at your extended forecast temperatures in the 70s for the next several days, but have a look at this weekend, mostly clear and sunny.